Good morning, all the students of 7th standard, and we are learning the third one lesson of our geography, that is a tide. This one we are learning how the tides occur. This is important. So, page number 10. Can you tell, on the basis of questions given below, discuss the result of the activities listed above here. In which direction did the piece of chalk fall back? In which directions? It is into the clockwise direction, it will fall that. Where did the water in the glass show in the bulge? Where it will be start to be bulge there. See what is that, where you blow the air, miss, if you are moving the glass of water, so it will be come outside, it will fall outside, and the waves also start to be create generated that. What effects did the movement have on the things attached to the key rings? It will also start to move that. What are the movements are there? Real sound you can hear that. What happened to the water in the container and the mixture, that if we on, then it will be move fastly, speedily, and it will come out. Which force can be operating in the activities listed above that? Gravitational force is of course this. In which activity did you find that the centrifugal or the gravitational force was greater? In which activity? Mixes activity, if you see that, it will be greater. Geographical explanations now you see. In all the above activities, the effect of the centrifugal force is visible. That centrifugal force from the center, what is that? It will be start, force will be applied, it is visible, we can see that movement there, we can see in the middle. The centrifugal force acts in the direction opposite to the gravitational force. Centrifugal act, this actor work opposite in the direction of the gravitational force, opposite of the gravitational force, it's a work there. Centrifugal means going away from the center. Centrifugal means what? Going away from the center. It is going away from the, say if glass is moving, then also what is that, in center direction centrifugal force there, it will become up to the edge. If you blow the air in the glass, then also centrifugal force from there, that force, it will be go toward the end side. So away from the gravitational force, that you must have experienced it too at the local fair. If you sit in a Ferris wheel, your seat spins and leans to outward away from the wheel. This is also an effect of a centrifugal force. It is obvious that it will be try to, it will to go away from that wheel. That if you sit into the wheel, giant wheel in a fair, that time we can see our chair, it is trying to go away from that force. So differences, centrifugal and the gravitational force. Due to its rotations, the earth gets a type of power or force. Rotation is there, so what is there? Our earth, it will get some type of a power, or it will get they apply force there. This force works away from the center. That force works away from the center, to that we can call as a centrifugal force. The force which is work away from the center, it is called as a centrifugal force. Definition is also asked on this, or what is meant by centrifugal force. Due to the rotation, the earth gets a type of power or force. The force works away from the center, to that we can call as a centrifugal force. Next, due to this force, any object on the earth would be thrown into a space. Due to the centrifugal force, any object on the earth's surface, it will be thrown into the space. However, gravitational force is working toward the center. However, what is that? Gravitational force is there, that the gravitational force is also working toward the center. At the same time, this force is many times greater than the centrifugal force, and gravitational force, in comparison of the centrifugal force, gravitational force is more, it is more in number, that it works fastly, it has a more pressure or capacity to attract, to catch. So it works faster more than centrifugal force. This force is many times greater than the centrifugal force. Hence, any object on the surface of the earth remain at the place where it exists. So it exists, it will not go away, that it will remain there only. Whatever the object is there on earth's surface, it will not go away, it remain same there only because of the gravitational force. And if you see that in comparison of the centrifugal force, gravitational force is more. Tide, following facts are responsible for occurring the tides. Some points are there, they are responsible to occur or to generate the tide there. Gravitational pull of the moon and the sun as well as that of the earth. First thing is that is gravitational force. The gravitational force of the sun, of the moon, gravitational force of the moon, the sun and the earth. Three gravitational force is there. Due to that also tide occur. Next one, revolution of the earth around the sun and the indirect revolution of the moon around the sun. Second one reason is there, revolution of the earth. Our earth is revolving, that revolution of the earth, and the sun, revolution of the earth around the sun. As you know that our earth is rotating around the sun, so this revolution is there. And indirect revolution of the moon, and also along with that indirect revolution is there of the moon around the sun, because our when our earth is moving, rotating, revolving around the sun, at the time the moon is also revolving around the earth. So indirectly moon revolve or complete rotation around the sun. So indirect revolution of the moon around the sun is also there, that also gravitational force is there. Now centrifugal forces generated due to the rotation of the earth, because our earth is rotating, due to that centrifugal forces generated that from middle toward the edge. So waves are generated from this in the middle of the sea, from there they are coming toward the shore side. This thing is there, it is important. Here the picture also give that a low tide and a high tide. This one important, you draw this figure and keep remember in your mind that. So when we will come tomorrow with next video, that time I will tell about this. Okay, till that time, thank you.